Money?
And make sure so you have a little account on the side when you know about.
Stefan, no money no the on the card. Like literally no money.
So
At all.
So you expect say money I got done every day you use it take off 30,000, 40,000.
I got work to think about it. Come here and
Yes.
that baby to and all of them something like.
You come like you are play with him in the army and teach you now, Lana. You have to put pressure upon the man.
No man, this not look like a you dog.
Maggy.
Remember now, no. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend say Maggy Films are entertain people to the fullest.
Yo, give thanks and praise for life, health and strength. Turbulence the future, we have to endorse with Maggy Films. You hear me, man? I could have been one of the most notorious. Keep watching. Go pang!
I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's feeling, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready. Let me focus on your back. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Bottom, oh, is your face, I'm pushing fate. Round up, screens make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Slow as a pace, keep it steady. Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip, hold up, what you doing to me? We get it right every time. Plays out better than what's on my mind. We could blame it on the sun.
Alright, something like that, yeah?
You know, so I need to talk to you now. I need to talk to you. I have so many.
At this hour, babes?
I did want to talk to you from last night, but I never know how to say what I want to say to you. Like, I never know how you're going to take it, I don't know how you're going to react, but I just have to come out with it right now.
Tell me, cause not that me I rush, but me remember I have work.
Less than 5 minutes.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright. You know me they for a while now, right? Like long 7 years now.
7 years soon.
Almost a decade now.
Yes.
And we're not married.
Hold on, I wonder if my boss is a call me. Let me see him on. Yes, sir. Yes, I'm gonna be a bit late. Yeah, man, due to some vehicle issue, you know? Alright, I'm coming, sir. Boss, I call me.
Alright, so I'm gonna make it quick. So we're together 7 years now.
Right?
Live together and everything. We're not married. When you plan for married to me, like you wait till you reach 10 years, past gone a 15 years.
Alright, tell you what. It's something that I was actually looking into. But I didn't want you to know. I wanted to surprise you. However, just give me a little more time. Alright? And you alone, me see, when me want to spend my life with. Okay?
Okay.
So just give me a little time.
But just I need to tell you now because you take care of me, right?
Right?
Yeah, you know your good job and everything, and me I take care of you too.
Yes.
Cook for you, all of them something there. So me need to be a wife now, and it just took a girlfriend level for 7 years.
Renee, listen to me. We are more than girlfriend and boyfriends. We are common law husband and wife. Right?
Right.
Yes. So I don't know, girlfriend and boyfriend thing this. We're bigger than that, right? Anyway, we have to go on later. Later, yeah? Later we talk.
So who tells me finish that?
No boy, see my boss call me.
I got work to think about it. Come here and
Yes.
see that baby too and all of them something there.
A baby? Me I think about that too. So, we could talk later, right? That sounds great. That sounds great. Later, yeah?
Later.
Give me the next one. So, later, yeah?
Oh, babe. You know, so I need to go in a town. But you don't want to buy something at the plaza downtown, nigga. But
So you need the card?
yeah.
Alright, just buy it off, buy whatever you buy after that.
Alright, thanks.
And do that pay. Well, I should even give that. Money up on the card.
Yeah, man, me use this to me fear.
Alright. Later, yeah?
Alright.
In the very first moments of falling, stirring all the heart.
So, girl, hello.
Starts to bloom with you.
Girl, from morning, you call me phone. What's your problem?
Fine with you. A way to hold
Me good man.
us, to open
Yeah.
all this
And I told me I'm going to Nickel Town. Me I got a machine, go get some money and buy something and then come back home. When me come on Fire Road, me call you back and we talk. Me don't have time to talk right now. Yeah? Alright. This a girl and not easy. No, sir. Call mommy, yeah. What's up, my beautiful mother? Boy, from morning me for calling, but me never get a chance, so me just a get for calling now. You know, say, me get you with one piece of money, right? And I told me I go right now, go dry, and then me carry come give you. Yeah, man, want 10 grand. Mommy, that, listen what me say now. That can buy your grocery for a week. And are you alone? You don't need nothing more. Mommy, are you alone? So, it's 10,000 we do. By next week, me see what more me can give you. You hear? Alright. Alright. Yeah. Bye. What's up, door?
There's no question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time. Hey. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I'm here. I'm in the parking lot.
Ready? Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip. I'm in control. Oh, is your face? I'm pushing fate. Wound up, screams make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Slow is the pace, keep it steady. Breathing, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip. Hold up. Doing to me, we get
Yo, babe. What's up? You know, some day night town, right? At your workplace here, so come draw the money and I go get the stuff them now. So me just say hi. Yeah, man, may I go home? May I get the stuff them now and go home? So have a wonderful day. Yeah? Alright, love you.
Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control, fired up. Oh, is your face, I'm pushing fate, wound up. Screams, make the scenes, hold up. What you doing to me? Slow, yeah. Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy, it hurts. Switch, hit the flip, hold up. What you doing? What you doing to me? What you doing to me? What you doing to me? What you doing to me, babe?
Alright.
Mommy! Oh God, what's wrong, my big daughter? What going, Bobo?
There.
I'm so glad to see you.
You will sit down out of veranda.
Yeah, because guess what? The AC now work. I forgot to tell you, the AC broke down. So in there kind of hot, so I said, I come outside and get some fresh.
We don't know one thing or the other.
Yeah. AC now work. Brand new AC you buy me. Me said, me turn on the AC last night up here, at here, something now work. Listen, that little 10,000 away give me can't do nothing, you know. You have to put more pressure upon the man. The man in a good job. You play with him, you know. You have to secure me and you. Because you take care of me. And the man have money, me now good job and good education. You know, it's a bright boy. You come like you play with him in the army, I teach you now learn. You have to put pressure upon the man.
Mommy.
And make sure so you have one little account on the side where you don't know about. Come on, man, you play this, joke this thing out, man.
Mommy.
Yes.
Listen what me I say now.
What?
It's like me not there with the man for money, you know. Me love him, you know. You understand what me I say? And you tell me say you don't have no food in the house. Me tell you say alright. Me can give you $10,000. You tell me say 10,000 can't do. And you alone live. What you want to buy a supermarket so? I just last week me give you $25,000. And you tell me say food stuff them done already. Where you use the money to
listen, you know say nigga expensive. You know that. You know say it's expensive. So 10,000 or nothing. You can't even buy meat for the week.
Alright.
Straight up your face, man.
No.
You know so the truth me I tell you. You remember Ken how Ken did do you? Eh? And you walk out with nothing and Ken was a medical surgeon. And you come out with nothing empty handed. What's wrong with you? And me I teach you now long, you know. You know say you have me if you take care of. And you know say your mommy want to look good. So I have to buy me look nice and I'm look sweet and stuff like that. Come on, man, stop playing the game, man. Stop playing the game and do the thing right, man. So then I want something wrong with you, you know.
So, mommy,
yes,
my love life is a game to you.
It's
but
not
anyways, me not gonna argue with you. About the AC, me get the money for fix it. Because just last month, you complain say you hot, me buy you 2 fan, you say it can't work. Me buy you one AC, no AC, broke down all of us.
It's not my fault with the AC, brother. Maybe I want to go cheap so you go buy the AC. Where did you go?
Mommy, no worry about where me did go. A good AC. Good inverter.
But not even a week and a half and it now work.
It's alright. A 10 grand me did promise you, but as you try US accounts, me going to the man US account. This a 15.
You know that you have to do, you know.
All this.
Remember say you have to take care of me.
Make this work until next week. I mean I have no more until next week.
Alright, thank you, Sil. Yeah, thank you.
It's alright. Come in now, why you no pressure so you're putting them so you know?
Oh, me go pressure them. When for them man not have fart in them. Nothing.
Pressure
Nothing.
them figure make them man have fart in them. Well, you know.
How you make you depend on? How you? Them know what not me now talk about them, I talk about you. You understand? Listen me, another thing again, I've been telling you from the other day, I mean if you do it, but I'm gonna tell you again, I mean now stop pressure you until you do it. You need to pressure that man to get married you. Remember say if anything happen to him, everything will come to you because you're wifey. You understand? You're double IFE. Me not pray for it happen, me just tell you. Cause the right thing me I tell you, me not tell you nothing that's bad. Put some more pressure upon him. Turn up the heat. Turn it up. If it at 360, put it to 370. Turn it up.
Mama, me hear what you say now. And me I listen to you with understanding.
But you know, don't me I tell you for do.
How you know that? Mama, me talk to him about marriage up to this morning. Me and him have a conversation about marriage. Just have a little patience, mommy. Me and listen to you and I think me not listen to you now. You think me want God send me, mommy? Me I obey everything what you tell me. You understand what I say?
But me have to say, come and get no feedback from you. When me tell you things, you know, come to me and come reason with me and call me and say, Mommy, so and so.
Give me a hand. Slow down, mind your pressure. Listen what me I say. You not trust me?
I trust you.
You not believe in me?
I believe in you.
Just have little faith, mommy. Have little faith, man, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, me I come home.
And you need to make learn to drive, now make the man buy you a nice BMW.
Listen what me I say.
Or a Lexus.
Everything I go work out.
Alright.
Just have little faith, man. You're too boomy, man.
Me watch you, you know. Me watch you.
Later, mommy.
My eyes is on you. My eyes now come off for you.
Alright.
Alright, later. Thank you for the money. Alright. Why? This little money, man. You need to upgrade. God know. What this can do? This can't do nothing. What me I tell you, man? And I like say the man not have it. The man loaded. But anyhow, give God thanks still. Give God thanks. She said must have patience. I'm gonna have the patience and see what go on.
I see you standing there, rose petals in your hair. Only one thing left to do. Walk in a straight line into this heart of mine. Forever is now in our view. And we say, I do.
Girl, where you call me for? Me almost reach your gate, me I come. Me tell you say me I come, not yourself. Renee! Renee! Oi! You call on my phone and when me I call you, you never answer. Mother, come me tired. Jesus. Just long for my bag. Thanks. This is true, eh? Wow. Me tell you something I come look for you in top call me. What's the problem? Girl, like you first call me now. And me tell you so when me reach home, me call you back. So me reach home now and me and call you. Listen to me, when me there call you because you know Paulette down the road. What about her? Yeah, me know what about her. Hear me hear she your name this morning, me I wonder how you do her. How she see you road and you hype like you're big tree, you have man at a bank and walk down a Scotia back down this and walk and how she see in a white socks and this and that. I don't know where you do her. What me couldn't love watch and chat people business so? Aye, uno. In general, me a talk. People in general love watch and chat people business. Eh? Me did tell her so if you no get man we work a bank. And me did tell her so if you no wear white socks or what she can't wear, she can't wash white. I don't know, you know. No, sir. Me ever hype on nobody? No, but how she say I pass and me hear she tell one of her friend on this, so me hide on the shop. And they listen to her. She depend your name, me say your name high, sky high, so. You fit talk, say you fit where I hype on the girl for. Figure out talk say I hype on her. Me a hype on her? Me not hype on people because all we are one. You all we are one and me no better than nobody. Not true my man a work a bank. So if she wants to sit down and depend on my name and hope it full her belly. Look here. What you say I go on now? You could carry something for eat or something. You just come with a too long hand to tell me about
I'm
Paulette
not asking a
business.
question. No, you really night told in a white socks. I'm saying in a white socks. So you should not care something to eat. So me not going away no. You're going at town. No, for people that chat say you're hype, you know. Oh. So you shouldn't buy something to eat.
Anyways, me figure out something cause me really have to get something for eat when by the time my man come and something. So
You're in love though.
girl, what you mean by me in love?
No?
Look here.
Girl, fire this boy there. Look on your face. You're just a glow up.
Mama, I 7 years now, me and my man there.
Exactly. And look,
So why
and nothing
problem?
not change.
So why you want something to change?
Don't get me wrong. Me only I say nothing not change because every day I just get more and more. Look, y'all I put on weight. Weight on top of weight.
Listen,
You know, you're comfortable.
I take care of me.
I just
No stress, no problem. Let me tell you, I just two things are my problem right now. And me not even know if I talk to you about it because I don't really want people to know my business. Like,
what do you mean don't want people to know your business? You ever tell me not want you hear back on the road? Listen to me. For me, I have a friend how much years now. You ever say nothing to me and I say nothing to nobody?
no, but sometimes some things in your relationship you keep.
Listen to me. Enough about that. Me don't want to hear nothing. Because you see if you come try and say me I care, but go tell people me don't want to hear nothing. So keep your business. I don't want to hear it.
Oh, sir. Girl, me never did I say you go care back my business or road. Me just a say certain problem in your relationship I bet you talk to God about it.
Alright.
That's all me I try to say.
Alright, talk to God.
No,
Don't talk to me.
make it hard for me.
No. Enough about that. Because I not make sake of this me end this a friendship, you know. How Stefan? Because me know say in a job and my working on my take care of you, you know, them and the woman fi have. And I like how I take care of you and so on.
Stefan, good man. When me say good, no, me meaning good.
Yeah, me know say one good youth. He's a real good youth. A long time me know him before you am there, you know. Stefan a good youth, man. Me never hear nothing bad about Stefan yet. So, probably if I never you ask Stefan, I me ask Stefan, because me and Mr.
Girl, stop in your chat there, so what you trying to say?
Joke me and make.
Me no laughing, don't do that. No, never make me hear you say that.
Look funny, me and your friend for how long I really feel some good I got there, so. Look how long me and your friend would do that, man. I joke me around, stop it. Yeah, get upset over now.
Keep me alright, you know. You run too much serious joke at that with you. You gonna get yourself in a problem.
I get myself in no problem. Anyway, me a good on a Joe yard and come back. You hear him?
Yeah, good on a Joe.
Listen, me, I don't know what you're thinking of, so don't bother with it. Do not bother with it.
Alright.
Me soon come. If me a put me a passport, me link you.
Hey.
Me don't like that smirk for your face, you know.
Yeah, good on a Joe. One. Joe might suck you. Boy, yeah, good on a Joe.
Standing there, rose petals in your hair. Only one thing left to do. Walk in a straight line into this heart of mine. Forever is now in our view. And we say, I do. Have become real life. Let's dance away the night and stand the test of time. Can you believe our dreams have become real life? On this warm summer night.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, man, I'm through with that transaction. Alright? Yes, I'll just wrap it up tomorrow. Okay then. Alright. Renee.
Yes, babe.
Baby. Tired, I see.
Babe.
Ah.
How was it there?
Today was a rough day.
Mm,
Trust me. Why? A lot of work. I first never do so much transaction in a one day.
I understand. I just
Yeah.
season feet now.
Yeah. And the manager pressure me man because he want me take up another portfolio and I tell him say I'll try. Because you know that I'm a loan officer as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and boy it rough. Anyway, I'm not talk about work. Work is for another day.
So you're hungry already for your dinner?
Yeah, sure.
Mm.
You cook,
So
you cook.
you look tense.
No, I'm just tired. Alright, let me tell you. To be truthful, the manager say want to talk to me differently. I don't know what they are talking about. I heard about some investigation stuff, but that's okay. That's alright, right?
Don't worry about that too much. Take it one step at a time or
Yes.
something. So later I can give you a massage or something, but
You know, I love them something there.
so I'm gonna go for your dinner.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Wow.
You're welcome.
Wow. This is nice. Beef soup.
Yeah man, your favorite.
Thank you. Eh?
Yeah.
What a soup, nice man.
You finished already?
Long time.
Give me a plate and put it out here.
Nice man. You need to cook that more regular. You need to cook that more often.
Don't worry yourself, man.
So what's up?
Nothing. I just
You know,
there tired.
I work and I think about what you're telling me, you know, about the marriage.
Mm-hmm.
I think I go want to do it, you know. Soon.
You're not supposed to think, you're supposed to know.
No.
Oh.
I am sure. But I think I go want to do it soon. I mean, you know what I mean?
Yeah, think about it.
Yes.
Oh.
All day. Trust me.
Well, nothing done before in time.
True.
But me just said that me can know, say, a full time now. You understand? Full time now.
So true.
We get married and start a family.
So true. And I would love that.
But differently still.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me more about the investigation. What one?
Renee, just don't worry about it. Everything alright.
So why you don't want to talk about it?
No, because remember, work. You can't carry home work a yard. When you carry home work a yard, you know what happen? Look more from this man, you start arguing and all them stuff, and live bad and them stuff, and I don't want that.
Listen, if me never care, mother ask you know.
I know. But, you know, let's just talk about that another time. We are at home now, right?
Alright.
Work. We can't carry home work on my yard. Work is stressful, you know.
But alright. Me in our relationship, you're supposed to can talk to me about anything. Whether stress or whatsoever, you're supposed to can relate your problems to me.
Alright, put it this way. Sometimes in the banking system, right? Remember, we are not machines, you know. right? And you make a little mistake.
Mm.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, based on the mistake that was made by me,
Mm.
they have to carry out an investigation.
Okay.
Yes, it's not. I don't know.
Okay. Think I did something
No.
more.
Remember, I have you to take care of, you know, and the bills and everything. And remember, this land right here and this house, we are going to lift down the other side and we are going to build up round here, so, and we are going to rent out round here, so. Right?
It sound like you have everything planned out.
Yes.
So
And we are going to go up on top. And then after that, we can just rent it out or sell it out and go somewhere else go live. So
well,
that's the aim. We don't talk about what's happening at work.
Don't worry yourself. Everything
Right.
can go work out.
Right. I just want to know, baby girl, say you alright. You're my priority.
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Make sure. Alright?
Yep. Alright, so what else we are gonna do for you even now?
Alright. I'm gonna wash off and then we can go up on the road. You want ice cream?
Sure.
Alright.
That's
You beard
all.
already. You look
Yeah,
smooth
man,
and
me
nice.
come off the road and take a fresh and stuff.
Alright, I'm gonna go fresh up and then we can go up on the road go buy some ice cream for you, right?
Alright.
Yeah.
In the very first moments of falling, the stirring of the heart, felt the love I gave no longer started to bloom with you in mind. When I learned to find with you a way to hold, not lose, to find, open up my heart this way.
Later, babes.
Later, honey.
Later.
Love you.
Love you too. Renee.
Babe, where you do from work so early? You feel sick?
No?
So how you come home so early? Why you left something or what happened? B, talk to me now. You know you can't talk to me about anything, so I don't know why you hesitate.
Alright, Renee. This is what happened, right?
Mm-hmm.
Please don't be alarmed by this, right? I'm out of a job.
You're out of a what?
You heard me.
B, how you make this happen? What happened? Like, about the investigation, something you tell me about?
Yes, Renee. They told me that I'm not being honest.
You're not being honest.
Alright, let me be honest to you. I was not being honest.
What you mean my...
I took some money from several accounts.
You took some what?
Some money from several accounts.
B, me really not understand what you try to say to me. I mean, I try to process.
But the thing about it, remember, you know, your mother, you keep saying that your mother pressuring you, right? The other day you told me that your mother needed an AC unit, right? And you look so uncomfortable and I wanted you to be okay.
B, me never seen you go take money out of people's accounts.
I know, but I have to do what I have to do because you were stressing and as a result of you stressing, I was stressing as well.
Me not like this. Me not like this. Stefan, me really not like this. It's like...
I'm going to get
and
myself
you're pretty tough. Took some money. You mean a thief?
Alright, listen. I know that no one wakes up tomorrow and find themselves a job, but I'm going to find a job. I'm going to find another job. Just have some faith in me.
How we gonna manage now? Tell me. How we gonna manage?
The little that we have left, we just make sure say it's stretch until we get another work. That's all. That's all.
Stefan, let me tell you something. I'm not gonna be ungrateful because a whole heap of things I do for me and you take care of me. When me say you don't make me short and nothing. But you believe me say me lose off of you? Me lose off of you.
I'm sorry, Renee.
No, say you bring shit. Jesus.
I'm so sorry, Renee. You know what? I'm going back on the road because I'm not going to hesitate. I'm going to see if I can sort out something in regards to another job. Right?
Do what you have to do.
But please, I don't want you to stress out yourself. Please, Renee, if you stress me, I go stress. And you know when you stress,
the
I love
moment
that.
you tell me say you're out of a job, it has stressed me now.
Renee, that's why I'm going back out there now. I go sort out some paperwork.
And my head start hurt me. God no.
Renee, listen to me. Don't do that. Right? Don't do that. We are going to be okay. Right? What I did was very wrong. But trust me, I felt a little pressured at times.
All along me give me some extra money, right? Me think a little bonus you getting a little incentive and them something there.
You always say that you need some extra money, you need it, and whenever you need it, you and I don't have it, you're stressed. And I mean, alright, I soon come back. Alright?
Alright.
I soon come.
Jesus.
Yes. Yes, so I'll call you in the morning, right? Yes, sir. Very well. Thank you. Baby.
So, Stefan.
Alright, so We just I sort out on another work, but the man tell me say, come send him the resume and everything, right? So him say, but it's for another organization, right? Yes. However, I was saying that we need some police record. And I understand that the bank already informed the police and all of that. You know? But because of the person that I am, they actually, I don't really fire me. Them ask me to resign.
Okay.
In my best interest. Or else they would fire me. Right? So, however, I still afraid if me I go get the police record or not with that job, but the thing I go get that job, the other job.
Well, them say faith move mountain.
Right.
So just have faith and just hope and pray. Because God alone can help you right now. Best believe, but everything I got alright. Me just believe say all I got go well. Just do the right and learn from your mistake. You hear me say?
You alright?
Me good man.
You're not stressed.
My head hurt me slightly.
Listen to me. If I even go pack bag in the supermarket and I suffer, you gotta make sure so you get what you forget. You hear me?
Alright.
Renee, you hear me?
Me hear what you saying, no, Stefan. Me hear you.
Just have some faith in me, man. Alright? Alright. Mark me word.
What did that woman again, man? Yes, mommy. Mommy, right now I don't really want best time, you know. For you call me, you know. Stefan in the house. He just come off a road. You want 10,000 again? Alright, here one mommy. I'm going to make you get you $10,000 and just know say at the last I eat this because something happen. I don't wish to say it right now, but you will know what I talk about at a later time. But mommy, you can't call me and pressure me so. I understand say you're my mother and everything and I have to look out for you, but I have to look out for myself. Mommy, I'm going to make you get the $10,000 and I hit that. Mommy just know say last money this. You hear me I tell her? I soon come talk to you because I can't talk over phone right now. B, lend me a card there. I soon come B, I get like a knickknacks and something for cook and forward there. And nobody stress out yourself too much, I come.
Yeah, babe.
There's no question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready. Let me
What go on?
No, go on.
How your face look so? Like you're mad with the world. How
I
happened?
know a stress time.
What happened? What stress? Are the man stress you out? How you not saying that make the man stress you out, you know? A whole pot fish out there. You have barracuda, you have butterfish, all kind of fish in the season. But making that stress you out.
But I don't know where your mother get it from.
I don't know, you have to ask her. Call her and ask her.
Anyways.
Are you granny? How much this?
Yeah, usual.
Again, me look like 10,000 mama to you. You have to uplift the thing, you know. Cause you deep in your heart, you know, say this can't brush it. This can't do it higher. So you have to go uplift on your thing.
Mommy,
Yes.
you know say ungrateful.
I'm not ungrateful.
And you know what grandma always say? Ungrateful worse than witchcraft.
You still listen to your granny. I'm not ungrateful.
Mommy, you know say
Your granny head a go.
Mommy, you pressure me too much, you know. You put pressure upon me too much. You make me pressure the man till the man losing work.
What? The man losing work? Jeez, how losing work?
Mommy, you make me pressure the man. Every time, every week, every month, or something else with you. When on the AC you want, mommy, you want nice slippers, you want all kind of something with me. I pressure the man got touches with people, money and losing work. Tell me what me I got to do now, mommy. Because of you, I pressure me put pressure upon the man, you know. You understand what I say? A man not likes when me stress, when you call me and tell me say you want this and you want that and I can't find it. Me sit down depressed, sit down and stress out. Me say every man got trouble people money. Tell me now what you expect now, me if you do now. Me not have no more figure man, satisfy
You
man.
think me listen to you? You just go to 1 year old and fly back to that. Me not listen to nothing you say. Let me tell you something now. You know what you're going to know? Kick him to the curve. He got to go. He got to go. You need another richer one now. Are you me look out for you now? That when you get all like me, we have money so me and you can go on the beach and we can enjoy ourselves. So make sure you find another richer one.
Mommy, let me ask you one question.
You find one JP this time. You know what's a JP?
Liberty come through carelessness.
You know what's a JP?
Lady, listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. You know, so when you're younger like me, you should have set a future for yourself. That's enough to come and pressure my brain.
You hold me.
Me, who are you?
Yes, you hold me. You know your father put me through? Eh? You saw my head grew up and your poop on my bed grew up, so. You saw me that turn white like salt and your father do it. So you hold me. And you, if you take care of me, because you hold me. You know your father put me through. I could have dashed you away, you know? Me could have abort you. You hear me? Can me follow that Lincoln put me that batch. Look how my head white. Look how my head white. Eh? A stress cause your father put me through a hell. Me don't know how me not going to the madhouse. I don't know me not head up in the madhouse. So the grace of God. So you hold me. You hold me, Pitney, you hold me. Me go through hell with your father as I just say. So man, you know to play with man. You get what you get and you do your thing. Save. Me tell you, me know say you and him have an account together, but you're supposed to have a separate account. God forbid if you drop dead, you get every...
Me not cut you.
Sure.
How me feel have separate account when every week, every day you want something else? What me fi take put in at the next account? When every week and every day you want something else?
You don't say a lie.
What me fi take and save?
You don't say a lie. You lie, you know. Go back in your thinking box and think what you tell me right now if it's true. You lie. You lie. Alright, let me ask you a question now. Did you do what I tell you to do? Did you open the accounts? You know, the man lost in job now. So you have anything for rock pan? So me I tell you all the time. Do you have anything for lean pan? Tell me the truth, don't lie to me.
But now go
I don't want you mummy me. Tell me the truth.
Listen, man. I don't get to do it yet because every time I say me I go do it, here comes the phone a ring. My daughter, me want 10,000. My daughter, me want $20,000. Mommy, you're not easy, you know.
Hold on. Put your foot on the brake. Put your foot on the brake and listen to your mother. Your mother know best to you. Don't let me forget, mother. Because you know, so me get brinkley. It's hard for me cool down. It's hard. Me no cool down so easy. Because me get red hot.
Me I listen to you, talk.
Yeah, what you got to do now? You see, as the cock poor man I say, give me my drawers. Me want you go down at the family court and take out a thing the harder. To get him out of the house and take away the house from him so you can't lose him. And the Benz too. Take everything.
Hold on, mommy. I'm a benzene driver. I want like a Nissan. The man
And a big old bank man drive one look a Nissan, one look a pot.
So what do at least it can carry him go work and carry me where we want to
Take
go.
everything. Clean him out dry. Take it too. You need a car. You need a car.
What in a life here? You know what?
You need a car.
Listen, me we talk.
Listen, me go call you, you know. Me go call you. So you make sure you do what me tell you for dinner because you really truly not listen to me, you know. And you don't want me get rid of that. Me tell you something hard for cool down. What me not for tell you because you know when me get hot. Me hard for cool down. So more you listen to me. Go down at the courthouse as Cox said, give me my drawers. You go down there and do what you have to do. They make me have nothing.
Listen, me hear what you say.
Alright.
I'm in lodging and my brain and me gonna just take your advice.
Okay.
But me figure right now.
Alright,
so me hear we talk.
Okay.
Jesus savior,
just
man.
do what you have to do. I'm good me want for you. So me don't care if you're bex. I'm good me want for you. Remember, you know, where your father put me through, you know. And no man not gonna use you like how your father used me. You understand me? So you just do what you have to do. Do what you have to do. And plus, you owe me. Remember, say you owe me. Alright, me don't talk.
Yeah, man, so yes, I sent in that application already. Yeah, man. Right. Yes, sir. All right. Tell Marva. No, I sent the email to Marva already. All right. Okay then. Thank you very much. Baby, how you look, sir?
The baby me. That not gonna work.
What?
Stefan, no money no the on the card. Like literally no money. At all.
So you expect say money I got done every day you use you take off 30,000, 40,000. The money there I still can't say anything where you buy. Where you do the money? That more I ask you. Over the years, where you do the money? I don't see you buy no furniture. Where you do the money? Renee, what are you doing with the money? Where you do the money, Renee?
Say card here. Kind of have no use to me right now. All this man.
There's no question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready. Let me focus on your baby. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Oh, is your face, I'm pushing fate. Round up, screens make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Slow as a pace, keep it steady. Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip, hold up, what you doing to me?
Oh man, Stefan. I know Stefan this.
Wait, how this? Another G?
Yeah man. How do your dog? You don't look like a Stefan. You don't look like a make classmate this dog. I mean, why you as a
Why you say that? Why you say that?
As a man working in a bank, jacket and tie, how you look so?
No, but you not have to be in a jacket and tie to be a man.
No man, you look different man, you look like sitting around dog. All the bag of box them and buckle and bag.
Why you not easy, you not change, you know?
No man, I know you this man.
Why you say that?
I know this no look like a you man, I swear. This no look like a Stefan I grew up with man.
Why you say that?
Sitting around man. No used to you with two buckling and one bag of sitting. No man, this no look like a you dog.
Why you not easy?
You can talk to me no dog, if sitting around you can show me pre no man. Get you off of your brain, you see me?
Nothing happened to me, man. But just,
Okay, tell me that man.
my life just take a sudden turn.
May I say something go wrong, something have to go wrong for him, he take that the turn there.
Yeah, but I mean, not really make it worry me or stress me or...
It look like a data go on right now because I'm not used to you this way. Yeah. I walk with box and buckle and bag and base.
No, but this is my clothes, right?
Your clothes?
Yes.
I walk with your clothes. You can left
Yes.
your clothes at your house, man.
Long story, Dada G.
You can show me pre, man. You don't have any idea far where I come from.
I don't have a home, Dada G.
That means you don't have a home. I want me to open for your house where your woman live.
The woman actually put me out of my own house. I mean, we went to court. Put it this way, we went to court. The judge said the lady should get the house. She lied to the judge that she's pregnant, right? And based on the fact that she's my common law wife,
Let me show you a pre, man.
we are together for over 7 years.
I know that. I know it's a long time on there. Let me tell you, I show you a pre, man. I see all of them are courthouse where the judge them are sitting. A woman them are defending, see me? Come like a foreign where I live right now. A woman them.
Don't say that. It's just that she a bad person. She a bad person. She changed, brother. Trust me. Like, I don't really... I'm not going to blame the judge. Trust me. It's just that Renee is not the same. And I'm not going to blame nobody else but her. You know, I don't think I blame no judge. Nobody else don't forget no blame. Because I take care of her in the Dada J.
I know that, man. I know say no make you short and nothing at all.
I take care of her, bro. I don't know what happened, like all of a sudden. I know I'm wrong. I lose my work. I did something wrong. I know I did something wrong, but it was like me I do it for her, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, but I saw you go still, brother. I go move.
You just
Still,
have
you
to
see?
firm, you see me? You can't make this
Yeah.
get you down in you see it?
I know make you get me down, man.
You have to
I
do
go move
firm
now.
in a Gideon now.
I stay up on one place up here, so, you know?
Yeah.
I go move now.
We link up, man. Me see you, man.
Yeah.
Which party I stay? I'm going to come give you a link, you know.
Where me I stay now? I don't know where good me I stay, so you will see me in the street. And me just have to make it a home for now. But you will see me in the street, man.
Alright,
I remember we are friends, you know, so.
Nothing, man. Big up
You
yourself,
will
man.
see me in the street.
See you, man. Just go and take
You
it easy.
know what? You want any buckle to buy?
No, man. I don't want no back up for buy, man. You see me?
Alright, so we talk, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
I say I read them.
Over here.
Yo, hold on. You see a 5 bills, you see me? You can use it buy a thing, dog, buy a one juice. Hold him, man. Hold him, man. I say you think set a far where I come from, you know, man.
You sure about this?
What you mean, 100%, man.
Alright. Much appreciated.
That's I read, man.
Thank you very
Link
much.
up, you see?
Yeah,
There's
man.
no
Alright.
question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time.
Renee! Come here, I ask you one question, you know, cause where they? Girl, you can't sit on my bed.
No.
No, stop it. I need to talk to you. Nobody with the attitude that
This
one.
girl has come on me and come
Let me ask you a question. No. I need an argument, you know. I come over here to ask you 2 questions. What's Stefan there?
Oh, me never know.
When you and Stefan there run up on the court, back and forth for. Look how me see and Stefan live good. How what happened? Me have to need would have call me and say, yo, Kim, this and XYZ and nothing. We all see man pan road. Where do Stefan?
What make me have to do Stefan something?
Because obviously you because Stefan is not here. Where's Stefan? Stefan a good youth and you a good girl. So it won't be just perfect together. So what happened?
And everything glitter gold. Here, learn that. It's not everything where you see look at diamond and shiny. After you go for true.
I understand that here. But yeah, Stefan and how much years? 6 months.
You have people, listen what me I tell you. You have people where they feel 40 years, 50 years, 60 years and they end up left, right?
That I know you and that I know Stefan. Stefan a good youth. Me no see what Stefan. To tell you the truth, I want all abandoned building missing. You know na London we don't say all abandoned buildings we done there over there Mrs. Stefan a go back and forth like over there must sleep.
So what have to do with me? Me and him left for a reason. Listen what me I say. Me and him left so for him business and not my business no more.
Me ask you with Stefan car already. Where car there? So how come you have him not there and you have the man car?
Listen, a judge said me if sell the car and the judge tell me to take the car and sell it. And then the money, me split it half and half for him. Right now, I not even know that the money that they know. I just blow up so.
So the judge tell us to sell the car. And you sell the car and give the man for your money? Why you boy, the man judge no easy, you know. As no me can see, so some man out there face if it's true, you know.
Where my face? What me do him?
Because then the man, the man buy us so, the man build this here, and the man take you out. Even though you and the man split, the man have a good heart to say, alright, Renee can stay with the house and the land. So why do you have to take the man care too?
And me, the judge.
Renee, you could have, if you and Stefan leave, you could have leave without taking a court. The man love you. Look how Stefan take care of you.
Ale, you not understand what I want.
No, listen to me. Yeah, Stefan, you know a match made in heaven. You understand me? I say, it was perfect, it was so.
Kim, you come to look for me. Or you come to chat about Stefan where I see him after last year. You hear me I tell you? Listen what me I say. Kim, Stefan and Sprat. A bigger fish me have a fry right now. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah, try to tell me so my best friend is a gold digger.
My phone a ring. Hi babe. What's up? No me there. Wow. When you say you send 200,000 to my account? Alright, I'm gonna check it. Alright. Love you. Alright, later. You see you now? Listen what me I tell you. You see if you want Stefan, you better go pick him up off of the road and there with him and fix him up. Or if you don't want there with him, fix him up. Stefan alright. You get what me I say? And my doctor man this just call me. And I know Dr. Jamaica oversees my thing there. You get what me I say?
Yeah, me get say a gold digger.
Me's no gold digger, but me not
say you there with Stefan when Stefan have money. I know Stefan depend in face a job Stefan and gone to doctor. Yeah, gold digger, listen to me I got my yard, me done with this.
Me say all if you did understand what me I go through. Yo, who feels it knows it.
There's no question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's feeling, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, now No, not yet, I'm not ready. Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Bottom, oh, it's your face, I'll push it, babe, round up. Screams and make the scenes, hold up, what you doing to me? Oh, slow as the pace, keep it steady. Breathe in, feel it down, it's heavy. Ooh, switch up the
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Maggy Nations from near and far. Yeah, man. Me are gonna subscribe to the new channel, alright? It's called Maggy Jam Venture. The link there in the description. See? Yeah, man. So just go in the description. One click and you subscribe. A whole lot of stuff I go on over here. So see? Whole lot of adventures, a whole lot of stuff. You know what's the phone yourself. So subscribe from now, so you don't miss nothing at all. Check the description now. Thank you. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them family overseas, everywhere to tune in and subscribe.
rough when you're carried, rough when you're carried, rough when you're carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa, rough when you're carried. When you're carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you carried, man, me take for your girl. When you carried, you don't know what's going on in the world. Whoa, so much things are gonna pass you when you carried. Rough when you carried, rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Whoa, whoa, rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Well, I have to learn how to read, you know. Cause you don't know when I carry things rough by you. Yeah, you know. Yeah, man. So you go, you know. Can't read the name of name Pambola.
Much time I tell us that I don't want you.
I'm Musa. I say you're sexy. Round like a square.
I say something to you now, sir. You see me hold my head straight when time me a pass, me not see you. Please don't see me. Stop calling to me. You not understand. You can't. If someone like say, you not understand when time somebody don't want you.
You know you're going to say, you know, but I know, you know. I can't you part them boy up so we drive markets and crown and them something like that. But, watch your face, man. I still love you here.
Don't mention that because you walk foot. Stop watch out my life. Stop watch the man them when me there on. Oh, tired and bright.
I wish you walk go down the road and drop in a pothole and ring your ankle. Right. Auntie. Are you a long time today, so?
You can't me ask about it for no long time I did there, so.
I want you, auntie.
I say you expect to live.
What you mean?
What you mean? What me mean? Me hear you and me see you.
I just call me there. I call to auntie. Me for the dead man. She don't want me.
She don't want you, but you want her though.
Little bit.
You can't even buy one soap in here for wash your face. And you out there look woman. You know so me tired of you. Come to think about me tired of you. A time for you go on. Let me come lower. Because me don't want you feel like say me high. You there with me for a little bit. And all me a try with you. You not make no headway. Me tired of you.
I go do better, auntie man.
Me tired of you.
I go get up earlier morning now.
You sleep free. You eat for free. You all defecate for free. The last time, me have a little reason. I'ma put for you little food. One side, I'ma write your name on it. I'ma write my name on my food, you know. And when me realize you eat for me food, but for me name the pan.
Auntie, watch you now. Me never say for your name.
So you don't know noodle. That's your name, sir. That's your name noodle.
Antonio, my name, auntie.
So from all along you live here with me, no noodle me call you. So if you say for me name Pambula, you see? And your name Pambula, which one you supposed to eat?
Let me eat fiancé for me.
You fi eat fiancé for me, then have a little sense. You see? If you say your name Pambula, you fi eat it. Eat for your name. Me separate him, but me tell you something, I last I hit this. Me tired of you. Because when me put the things in my house to serve repeating them, you eat off for me share, for your share, and everybody share. Me tell you have to find somewhere go.
I go find work, auntie.
On a work alone, you have to find somewhere to go. A girl where they talk about this, so ask her to put you up.
I'm gonna drive my Bex.
You know, drive my Bex. Me see she come with her too, and I see she a left with bag. And look at this time, I put them sitting here, you pack up and get the girl for. Me not foolishness with you. You have to go on, you have to go on. You have to go and me tell you, Patrick a complain. Every morning before the Patrick get up and go and work. And he say when he buy them food for serve them for the week, you and yam them out. You can't turn.
I go take that.
No, you have to listen to me. You got to go. You have to go. Me tell you. Me a feed you, me a clothes you, me tell you, bossy. Go on. Go along, me done with you. Go on, me tell you. Tell you, man. Enough is enough.
True, auntie, at all. Supposed to know somebody, you know. I'm the right person. Yeah, man. Yo, Link, man.
Talk to me now.
Yeah, man, what go on? No, Annapolis.
What do you mean? Me know say Anthony this man.
I want a link. Yeah, I want a link to a license.
Listen me. Any link when me not have, you know, make yet.
I say you're good. That's why you're the right person then, man. Alright then, so watch you now, no? I want you link up a decent license for me. One nice looking one. You can do that?
No, you way, alright, you way, you want a light, right? We don't have to talk. Pay for the farm. Take two passport size picture. No man, no man. Listen, man, tap, listen, man. You sound like you want overtalk me right now. Which part me there? Me there have criminal house. Me have wait for somebody with some documents.
So about how much that I go cost you now?
Bring 50 grand there, you know, daddy.
50 $50,000?
Yeah, man. Just check me.
Alright, watch you now. I go put it together
and come get a link in idea.
Yo, me in the town right in our Brimilla house. Just come down in the town, go and tax office.
Yeah, in our town? Alright, my boss. I'm gonna deal with it, you know.
Yeah, man. Just check me. Yeah, I'm bring money with you now.
Alright then, cool.
No wrong putting you know. Yeah, man. And then I want that.
Yo, Link man, what go on?
Yeah, man. Good news to find the next one. Yeah, man. Same procedure.
Oh, simple thing that man.
Now, I'm bringing 9 o'clock tomorrow. All right. That's enough. No, matter. No, yeah. All right. Good. Just relax, man.
I have to, I will bring my house.
Oh, no, listen, man. Just walk come over, man. Aye, well on, man. You don't see big old sign, Bromella house.
You never see it. Big man, me never see it. They know should have tell me she use this thing where someone set someone like a house. And that I know that. Never see that.
So, beef tell us with the big old house.
Yeah, it's in the shape sort like a house.
So what about the word?
Nah, look so high, man. You see something in me eye. Wait.
Alright, anyway, give me documents.
So I don't know what they give me that for.
Come on, picture them there.
Damn, man, you know me left sitting here, you know, man. Channel star. What? You need it, you have it.
No worries, man. That
You can't deal with it.
That can stay for last.
Alright.
All I want to know said it's important. You
Right.
pay for this.
Yeah, man.
And the 50 grand. Everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, 50 grand.
You know, I never left my bag in.
You never finish high school? No, it's the reason why I asked you.
What you talking about, man? Every whole I teacher them know me over that, you know. So take out fee out of that. Take out fee out of it. Take out. No take out more than the 50, you know.
No, good.
You sure?
Good.
Alright. You left, yeah. You left for me, man.
So, I'll link me tomorrow 9 o'clock.
Mhm.
Okay, I go over depot to the big man.
Oh, yeah.
But, no matter all yet.
Mhm.
All the way you give me the look of 50 grand. You still have to do it, yes?
So that no deal with every, no?
No, you have to do it, yes.
So then couldn't just...
No, nobody can write nothing but the paper for you. Because you know what, when you go up on the road with the license, attach it because they're on the highway.
But man, somebody did tell me one time, say, oh, once you pay the money, you're good in it, you don't have to do nothing more, you know.
No.
Then just carry license and give you.
No, say work, man. Can't be so. Come on, the money, man, I'll get the answer.
Oh. Yeah, but then me can't, as long as him did it, and we're good, so we're good to go then.
No.
What going on now?
You never fill out them, man.
Then how me full out to sitting? Then you did tell me something if you just get the farm and carry come. So see me carry come there.
No, me just go to tax office and pay a fee and collect the farm.
So now that me do?
You have to full out it too.
That never did it.
Yeah. No, nevertheless.
Yeah.
May feel it too.
Yeah.
Where name?
Antonio Williams, man, you just put in that, man.
And I same address where you live, same way.
Same, yeah. You don't know me that long time.
9 o'clock about.
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Depot. Link up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so.
What? Go on, man. Now call the big man, man. Let's go on, man.
So if we go left your money?
What do you mean?
Oh, you are keeping money?
Go on, man.
Alright.
9 o'clock. Yeah, man.
Alright.
What?
Morning, boss.
Yeah, man.
Here we do this.
Yes, man. No long me I wait for your brethren. Sit down yourself.
Why we sit on yourself?
What do you mean by why we sit down? Oh!
Come just we come in the office.
Yeah, what we know. It's building up there refurbish. And so forth.
Look, dress up.
Yeah, man, but we are in a tree, yes, sir. Yeah, so cool and nice and well good. Just sit down, man. Just like a school, man. Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, sit down, man. You know, it's like when you go to school, my youth. Sit down, man. You know, you see them bencher. Might get bigger, you know, but I see him thing. But I think me, you can't even hold. Hold on there.
So what you say?
Yeah, man. So,
What you say, man? So what you say? What you say? No, man, enough for me this. I feel.
yeah, no fear. Just hold the pen. Hold the pen. How what happen?
So you give me your work for, sir?
I know my work. You know the procedure, man. You have to go do a little write up and thing for the stuff and thing. Huh? How happen? What happen?
You see no writers, right?
No, man, I don't have to sit down with you. I'm about the place. So you just write up the thing and give me what happen.
Hey, boy.
I know my work, but yeah, but you need to say I have to do a little written test for the man. Simple, simple, man. That's right. I have to pick the seat. Just follow the instruction. You don't write this, man.
What you say me for put on this?
Just your name. Just read the instructions and follow what it is. Just your name and address or whatever. Any little thing. Just read it something. Never gonna write this up. Just follow the instruction, boss.
Hold on, the boss.
What?
I wish I was saying me for put my name again. Cause I left my glasses now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look right. Look here. It's sitting big, big, big. Look. See there? Name, address, DOB, date of birth. Just pull up with something, Bridget, and thing. That's it, man. Simple little maths, man. But I write yourself. Then?
Right there, say there.
Write yourself. Just hurry up and write something, man. Set up a thing.
You not move from there, sir?
No, no.
You say name, right?
Virgin, look. Oh, I go on. Look on top of the thing, man. You say DOB, gate. What? Chuck. DOB.
Hey Siri, spell Anthony Williams.
Anthony Williams.
Hey Siri, spell Anthony Williams.
On the web.
Jesus Christ. What is this a phone? Anthony Williams.
Here's what I found.
Mad. Bossy, watch out now. Sitting around with the paper. Watch out now. You see like I wrong paper me get? Car. Yeah, watch out now.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what? Yeah. Go.
Me no normally. Watch out now. This look hard still, you know. I feel like I wrong paper me get.
Jesus Christ. You want me now? I better cut it. Cut it. Come the right behind you, you not talk too low. Me hear everything where you do. Me hear Siri. Siri, are your friend? Listen to me.
Girl.
Whatever. Boss man. You look like you have to call your brethren, you know. Because trust me, wherever you want, it's a harder task, my youth. Just go call your brethren, you know. Yeah, man, go. Why am I calling? Because trust me, this don't look good. This don't look good at all. Not even a A. What?
So which part? Where's A figure?
Well on, man. Why, man, no, we can't believe this. Brethren.
Which part the A figure? Yes, sir?
All right. It makes sense to just humble and just easy now. You have to get a brethren for you. Go deal with that deal because you know look too good still.
So I forgot call him.
Go on, go get a brethren.
And come back here, sir.
Yes, man.
So if we go back on the road in the bus, so we have to deal with this quick enough.
No worry yourself, man. Because I see what happened. So,
yeah, man.
why I go to your bitch?
Brother,
Yo, man, I'm
sitting in my shoe.
I'm not carrying on the car, it's in love big. Alright, yo, you stay. Hold on. Yeah, stay right there, sir. Come on, man. Sit down, man. Sit down. Yeah, man. Me say, we put down a little sitting to right if you give man one simple little test. And look there. He blank. Not even a A. You say, when we look at him, man, me see bend down here, so. Siri, I tell Siri, spelling. Really serious, you know?
Yeah,
Bill
tell
him.
him. But if me say the man not even right, ain't
Yo,
for
yes,
anything.
what me tell you, we can chop a piece of food off of
Yeah,
him.
that me I tell the virgin.
A 50 grand me get gone, you know.
Yeah, what me still. A PPV license plate him I look for carry towards him.
Jesus,
So well I
Christ,
know,
I
well
think
I
that
know.
is regular.
And he so how we get that for food man? Yeah? Well I know. Let me show you something. That the man they look like he can chop a wicked food off, you know, because guess what?
Like what, so?
Hey, we can't lick all our 4 or 5 minutes because you what no
No,
man?
you're talking cars,
Yeah
we
man,
can
yeah,
take
yeah.
100 still, you know.
Yeah, what we are gonna do now? Zin, you get your share already, you know. So I feel me time now, you know. But hold on there. Wait
No,
now.
I won't
Wait
get
now.
it. I won't let her get it.
Yeah, but you get your food, but just hold on, let me cut
No,
for
the
me.
50 come take it in.
Yeah. You hear me now. Zin? I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, Zin. I'm gonna tell him say I want half a mil, but now can work for 4 because PPV license plate and easy thing to get. I mean we get in trouble. So here what now. If you can collect the food from him, boom, come to me give a piece of food because fee
No,
work a risk, you know.
no, me can't read, you know. So when you call piece of food, how much that?
You done with that, bud. Sure.
The call piece of food can mean
Yeah, man.
1,000.
Anyway, we have to see what him say first, cause you know. All right, so I'll call
Can't
him.
believe it, the man, really. I mean, I'm
Look at
going to
the
write up
paper.
it.
Look at the paper.
Write up a thing, man. Just ask him,
Not even a little drop come out of my pen. Nothing right. Anyway,
call him over.
call him over.
Come in.
Yo, come here, man. Come here. Yo, come in. Hey. Keep a straight face, you know. Keep a straight face. Can't look, you know. Make you look serious, you know. Come. Hold on.
Let me talk to him. Come on, so. Go.
All right. You know what? Come on, man. Yo, hold it. Deal with it.
Yo, we can't believe it, sir. That we are near me and a paper. Me didn't know they couldn't read.
Channel man, can't give me paper clean. I do want to give my clean, isn't it?
No, I don't say work when they call me, you know, and tell me say you look more license. The reason why me tell her 50 grand, you know, you have to give me 50 post up on the license, you know. Me think a regular license. Listen to me, it's a PPV license. Expensive. Right now the man want 400,000 because you can't read him and go write out all of them.
What?
I did $500,000 and then drop it down.
For this?
You want it or not? Yo, how you think you get tourist and can't read? Next thing you go see, turn here, you go turn this up.
But I can't read general way I do. I just watching it. Me left my glasses and watch it. Remember that fine. You know see that you gave me see something good.
Listen to me. This here mean surname. When it says surname, it mean last name. Lord of God, Bridget. Surname mean last name.
Your name, my sir.
What?
Who for last name?
No, my last name. My last name, yeah.
I can't stop confuse me now.
And your first
So why pay your last name figure yourself?
Lord of God, I see why the man have problem with you. Listen to me. 400,000. Let's get 400,000 to come and get it. We can't take it. We can't take it straight. Yo, and the first problem if I go through with somebody like this.
400,000. Including set 390.
Listen to me. Remember saying a man can go to prison. You know? Remember, you know, because when you get the license and you see left turn here and you go take a right turn, right? And looking at people, vehicle and police come down and look on the license and ask you, oh, you get it.
I'm tell you, say, buy.
Lord of God, you can't do that.
You know, buy me. So I never free.
No, you drive it.
Oh,
You know, buy life. Yeah, you know, buy life.
So if you tell a lie then.
I don't lie, I tell him.
But me never drive.
No, listen, 400,000. 400,000, do. You can't take it. 100, come on, fight. You want more, go on there?
Even 10,000 more?
No, 400,000, a big deal. A prison work that there, no. A tourist, you have plan to carry, no. And once you lick a vehicle with them, you know, it's a lawsuit that.
You see, because I want to live up here, it is, alright.
400,000.
Yeah, man, Tuesday we have the money. Tuesday.
So I go on. Everything all right?
Yeah, man.
Everything up?
Yeah, man, everything good.
All right, yeah, man.
I say 400?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
400.
Work it. Yeah, work it.
So, you can't tell me, look a piece of sitting for that few minutes.
No, man, how you say, man? You go the wrong way, man. Remember, I said we chop something, you know. And a lot of things involved. Yeah, man. So, if 4 good, man.
400.
Yeah, man, a half of them sitting there, you know, but
400
4 good. Work with the 4. Shh.
Bridget, remember say yeah we there, man. A depot we there, you have to take time to hold it. Now you mention nothing about money over here. Make you see, you tell him.
Yeah. So I take off your lunch money?
Boss man, just make you stay away there, man. Alright? We rest this up.
400.
Yeah. Shake funny.
Yeah.
So there.
Alright, cool. Yeah man, you're good.
Rough when you carried.
Go on, man, check me. Can you do
Rough
it?
when you carried. Rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Whoa, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you carried, rough when you carried.
Hey, Mas Lambert. Yeah, man, what going? Stop going like a madman, man. You don't know how I talk to you already, man. Yes, watch you know? Yes. Me have a look on news here. So, you know, say my grandfather dead. Or him a go dead. And we are sell out the goat and the cow them. I don't know if you don't want 2 goat and 2 cow for buy. Yeah, man. Here you cow there? So you sound fat? Yeah, man. That we are sell. Me I tell you, say cow rosy and nice, sissy boy. And the goat them proper. Watch you know? So for 2 of them, I get a good price, you know. I want 400,000. You get the cow for 400,000, but I give you a goat as brata. Yeah, man, a simple little sitting that, man. You can't deal with it. Yeah, man, just cool, man. Just, brother, me not lie to you. Alright, so here what? Carry $400,000 come and come link me between 11 and 12 o'clock tonight. No, watch you know. You can't transfer them in the day because they sleep in the daytime or only in the night time then wake. Yes, so we have to wait till the night before we can move them. Plus, me don't too like people up in our business. You see me, because you don't know people watch and chat more while. So me not too like that. So here what? Link me between 11 and 12 o'clock tonight. Carry the van. You know which part to meet me. Alright? And remember to bring the money. Alright, my boss? Remember, you know, 11 or 12 o'clock sharp. Good? Cool. Don't ramp with me, you know, brother. Yes, you do a good cause. Because remember, my uncle want the money.
Yeah. Big up. What go on?
That's this, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So what go on? Everything alright?
Yeah, man, I have this.
Yo. Give me the bag now, man. You have the money? Give me the money, man. You have your thing I say no youth. Yeah, man. Everything in there.
Shut up.
You have everything in the boss. Yeah, man. Anyway. So, see this international. You know what this means to youth? All the niggas are foreign, you know.
Can't fly out with it.
How we are saying, man, you drive on any highway you drive on. I use that. Look for that.
Clean, man.
What do you mean?
We can sit through it. But wait on the boss. What is the whole offer?
Hey, you see that hole? That hole means prosperity. You understand? Hey.
But wait.
Hey.
I hold this, sir.
Are you that? I mean, who this? Now you that, man?
I don't need that.
Yeah, man, look good, man. Look good. Then you say you can't see without your glasses, man.
No brown.
I use look here. Let me explain something to you.
See the Anthony.
Right.
Yeah, man, are you that, man?
I saw Anthony spell.
Boss, man, you know say you don't have your glasses with you, man. That's why you can't see.
Yeah,
and plus, them picture there, you know, are when people bleaching and then come back too. Now you that, man. Look good. Are you man? Are you man?
Me did that straight nose and time I did younger.
Jesus, peace, brethren, are you that man? Are you that?
Which photo this here?
Jesus, peace, me say I beard used to bleach, but you get back black. Yeah, man. Are you man?
Say I mean this here.
Are you that man? Are you that man? Yeah, man.
I'm not sure.
Boss man.
Are you? Listen to me, man. Listen to me, man. Look, you don't need. What I do? Are you?
I try to take it.
I don't see picture. You see what they take you?
I know, yeah, man. 3D. 3D. Ever hear about 3D?
3D this
Yeah, man. 3D, man.
This
It's on the yeah, man. That's why you have to look at it.
Hold on, man.
Where you get picture from?
Hold on it. Me never remember to carry picture then come give you. So where you get picture from?
Oh, guess what? I remember say you're big and famous in a year right now. And you name Anthony, you know. So me just use here and Google it and find no.
I'm Google me.
Alright. I have Google picture.
Google this here.
See the all alright. See it there?
That's why the whole of United because
International.
Yes, man. Right.
Hey.
Prosperity.
Hey, this shot you know.
Prosperity.
Yo, police can't chat to me, you know.
You drive too fast and not crash. Go too normally. When I see police, turn on four-way flasher.
So me not just shoot them this and then gone.
No.
Yeah, what, man?
Just keep it in your pocket, man.
Yeah, what, man?
If you put it down.
If they ask you nothing about the complexion, just tell them, say, you used to bleach. That is all.
Right.
See, we just make it look a little brownish, but are you that? Are you that, man?
And me?
Yeah, man. Are you that, man?
It might show a straight face, but that's when take it.
Oh, you know say if me turn you one look away, it's fear with it through the
Yeah, man.
yeah, man, me see it, man, me see it. If me turn it, yeah, man, me see that.
Alright.
That 3D sitting there.
Let me not tell you, man. Yeah, man. I new type, man.
Yeah, man. I eat, man.
Yeah.
I eat. Yeah, man. Come in that.
You know, 5,000 more for you.
Never care. This look for them. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Never. No. You all have to go bank.
No, one man. Everything good.
You good? You sure?
Yeah, man. We are in general all the time.
Now talk a little bit.
Yeah, man. You're good, man.
Yeah, man. I can't walk out of this.
I mean, man. Nobody can talk to you,
nobody, you know.
No, for sure.
Tell them say you have it, but not show nobody.
Nobody can talk to you.
If anybody asks, listen up. If anybody asks where you get it, just tell them say, I Google it.
Oh.
Google it.
You want to start with that?
It's when Syria Google work. It's when Syria Google
Yo, man, I don't get enough more work.
Yeah, man. How about yourself, man?
Go on for bread, you know.
Go on, man. Go on.
You want wicked better than where you find that?
Hold on. I mean, you call wicked the way you call yourself.
No, but I think you actually take a picture and put it for something.
That the man they come in like some boy, he have 5 cents, he come like 3 or 4 missing. How you get him?
I'm just rub the eye, come here, say, I would have blood first here.
No, sir. Oi, every day more somebody like that. Anyway, give me back.
Lord
give me back.
of God, man.
Give me the, hey, now make it hold it too long.
Couldn't forget it.
Oh, clean, yo, hey.
So, no.
Relax, man, you get your piece. No,
but you know, when I look at him, I say, you couldn't find one dog, somebody, man.
No, you know, it's the only one we could have find. But we know some they're going to bite, man. Don't worry yourself.
Police ever tap him, you know.
Him get what they don't get.
I straight prison, you know. Him not come back.
Yo! Love his business in the youth. My mess, man. Anyway, we are going to drink out first. So follow me, man. Come.
All right, big man.
Yeah, what go on, brother?
No man, boy, get the license, you know. Unless him could have helped me get all a taxi down. You know I make a money, man. Yeah. Dog, go on. Yeah, man. Yo, dog, license good, man. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man. Yo, dog, I want to tell you something. I keep it out of me every time. Me looking at my pocket bag, my license, then you see it. Me ready for the road right now. Anything at all that can help me get. Me say I use your name is a link, man, you know, man. Yeah, man, taxi, robot, anything at all right now, brother. I'm drive around some white people in a some vehicle, anything at all bike car, you see me? Yeah, man, they not do. Brother, man, just call them and just set the link, my G. Anything at anybody. If you hear nobody, or know anybody when know somebody when know want somebody, yeah, man, just tell them, say, oh, me I look alright, you see me? Brother, just deal with it, no, man. White plate, red plate, pink plate, any color plate come in and we work it, man. You don't know my thing go already, man. We work anything, man. Listen, yeah? Alright. Make sure you link me, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, my general. Cool. Mr. Link, man. Them boy are full of links still. You don't know, man. Less than a 3, man, get that.
So, my G, why I
Wagwan.
Real, man. I really want to fast in my business, but I look at taxi for run, you see it?
Then I fast in my business, man.
No, man, just there, so I go on, you see it, chill out, you see it, I make a
So you hear me I talk on the phone?
Yeah, but then people now walk past and I hear loud, they talk to them father. That's all loud, but me have one taxi, me have one car still, you see it?
Eh?
Don't know if you see it, interested.
You say I have one car there?
Yeah, man, from last week, I try to get one driver feet, but...
What you say?
Send
me know the real right driver, brother, man. I want you. Me a drive from my idea, I mean, brother.
I saw Jarrett, man, because
Yo.
from my phone, I try so I can, you see it?
Me not God send you, yes, sir.
I tell you, man.
Yeah, man. From your born, man, God send you come, man. Yo, I saw me know how Jah works, you know. You're a real link, you know. Yeah, man. So what you say? What the I name?
Yeah, man, a Tsunami then call me still.
Tsunami?
Yeah, see it?
Antonio Williams, me name still no, but you don't know them know me in the street as Noogly, you see me?
Oh, see.
Yeah, man.
The machine around there still, you
You
know?
around there, sir?
Yeah, man.
So when I can go look on the machine, man. Where you say, hot right?
Anytime I want to see
Hot girl?
Pardon. I look on it right.
Yeah, man. Like a God said, you know, my G.
Alright, what can I say? I see it.
I'm good, man.
You ain't not drink?
I'm good, man.
Boom. No, I'm a general. Yo, watch out. Yo. Yo, man, car, brother. I'm my car. This. Yo.
Say no what?
Father, I'm my car. That. Come in, man. See my car, brother. Those people in car, brother. See my car. So I'm to this. Nothing wrong with the brother. Yo. Come in, man. I just want to look at them, bro. Nothing wrong with him, father, man.
Jesus Christ.
No car.
So we have a car there?
Someone of these. I just want to look at them. This is my father, man. I said that, man.
Little dent?
Yeah, man. I just want to look at them.
Me I see you like belly.
Yeah, man. I say, man. A good car, man. A brand new car I buy nowadays, brother.
The whole of my foot go out the door.
Man, I say, man. A brand new. I want a lady running in the back of the man. I'm running one taxi, man. A simple thing, man. But insurance, you give me all $3 million. So I go and wait off so I can give all one little thing out of it. But for right now, I want a little thing still. So you can run the road. I don't know red plate, but you see me, I want a piece of food. God no.
So
you say?
You can use that one there.
Brother, and my car, that brother is a youth or what is a car, that brother. Take your mind off of that. You want to work, brother?
Yeah, man.
You may put your phone and look at work. Say you want to run taxi, man.
Why?
That's it. So I say, if you get the red plate, you know, but you can just go and run some robot. Go down there, you see it?
I deal with it, man. Yeah, man, I deal with it.
What you want to? I want to see how you drive, you know.
I want to see man, I'm a big driver, you know.
You say you're license, but I want to see how you drive.
License fresh. You there hold it up so you can see straight through it. Good. Hey, them say a 3D. Yo.
You see it there?
You know, me not have it. Me not have it. Me left it car walk. Me walk forward. You see me? But yeah.
Alright, you say that no. But just want to see how you drive then. And then,
a simple thing that, man.
I want to know where you live to. Just show me a yard and I want to see how you drive. Then 2 things that we done. You can't take a car and go on the road. Look some money.
So you want to know if I'm living?
No, because you want to know. If nothing, I want to know you there. You see me? I want to know my car there.
No, sir.
I'm
not treat too.
No, I don't know this is, but then you don't want to know your car there, sir. You just want to give somebody one car so and then gone and you don't know where they live. No, man.
I never sign up for this song. So when you look, you don't forget the address stuff?
Yeah, what you mean? So when you go for an interview, you don't want to know where you come from and them things, brother. You just take a car so and gone and I don't know where you live, brother. I don't like me at this like you know thief. But me just want to know where you live and I want to see how you drive. So you ready you know?
Alright.
Come in man.
Alright.
See how you deal with this. See here.
So you couldn't push down this
Nah man, you see two insurance them not take the picture yet. Me just love it like that, you see me? No worry about that man, that good man.
So you sell it again?
That good man. Come in man.
Jesus Christ.
I remember say back lick, you know, but a simple thing man. A simple thing man.
That can't happen?
No, it can't. It can't bust. But
so suppose me want carry load it up and carry 15 one time.
Just carry them on the top man. Come in man.
I think it you want me get in.
No worry yourself man. What you know? Any luggage you get, carry on the top man and tie them. See?
That's what I'm going to do.
Come in.
That's what I'm going to do. Yeah man. Man a big driver, you know my boss. Yeah man, big driver long time, you know?
Oh God.
Yeah.
Fast machine man too, you know. So you have to take your time man. You see me? Oi man.
So sitting there now work good.
Jeez,
That now work good man.
How you come from man?
That now work good.
Eh?
That they now work good. Where I do now? Where you say we are?
Yeah, me say no. Oi. You see that? I know so you fight with it. Let me show you what I go on. Cause you have to go learn to put on.
That now work good man. That hang me a while ago.
Listen me no man. Alright, low, nobody mash up you know, cause you don't know you know. Just put in a drive, find the and go on the road. So I go on fast and quick car. Oh dear, alright. Yeah, look for your phone.
You say me if you find D. I wish for you put it.
So I'm on a mad man. Brother, drive me in, put in a day.
What you talk about? Show me what you talk about. Cause it's a carrier.
You're not right man for your work.
No, watch you know. You see that carrier? I want a new type car them this. Yeah man.
You know
it's a new.
You don't look like you can drive.
Just show me where you say. I bet you say me drive it.
Hold on, if me say find D and you look with D all about in the car, that means you can't drive.
No, but watch you know more while people tell me say then drop them money and then sit there I have to look for it. So me think say sitting at D.
Brother, sit there. See there. D.
And if you did talk all along then half a moon if you say me brother. You see there? Half a moon. And you go so and you gone. Yeah.
So this half moon.
Half a moon. And this a nitro. And this a race.
Brethren, me can't mash up no more.
Me nah mash up a car, brother. Man, me never yet crash yet for how long me have my license.
Alright, listen. Take your time and go on, cause you don't know. Come like a teach, I have to teach you for driving.
No, man, I want to I'm a big driver and I'm a generally.
Alright, hold on, calm down. See it there? You see when I put in a gear, as me say you have to press this on the side.
Right.
You can't just drive like you want broke off. Press this, put in a D. D on a half moon, and a half moon. It might shape like a half moon, but on a half moon. You understand me I say? So that a D. You see R, a reverse. You sound there?
Race, right.
No, on a race. Reverse. P, have a park. So like a tap now, you just put in a P. You understand? So you don't know. Press this and put in a D and go on the road. So put in a drive and go on now in a D.
Yes sir?
Yeah man. Take your time brother. Yo.
I want to go on this sir.
Say every month take your time.
No man, watch you know. I'm a slippers.
Go on the road man and take your time.
See man a big driver that one hand man a whole steering with you know. Yeah man, right off down here, so you see me?
See it. I don't know where you know where you're living in case.
Yeah man. Right off here, so you see it? You wanna know the exact house?
Yeah man.
Exact house, then right there so man, right there so.
Okay, right so.
Yeah. Right there so.
The pink house eh?
No man, you see I look on the wrong place man, right there so me say man.
Alright, that's where you live. Alright. So you not go over yard, you know?
No, me no need to go.
Alright.
See what me talk about, yeah man, I'm a brother, you see me?
Please.
Yeah man.
Alright.
I'm a brother.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, I'm more while me there so too, you see me? Yeah, you know. I'm over there so too. Yeah. You don't know. You have to, you know. And look at places, you see it. And true, me go live good with everybody. Yeah, see it. Everybody know me, you know. Yeah.
Alright, that's
Yeah, man.
I'll give you a car for your touch your road. See?
That's cool, man. You see car, I love me, man. You see car fit me, brother. Watch it.
Touch your road.
We can hang up on the side of, yeah, man. I saw it. Yo, brother, I tell you, so the car drive decent with me, man. Me feel it, man.
So you wanna just me get the money every other day.
Every other day.
Every other day.
Brother, I feel like every day me all would want carry come game, man. Yeah, man, I some day with it, man.
If I every day I just
Yeah, man. Yo, brother, man, is an honest brother, you know, man. Yeah, man. Anything, yeah, man. Money for come in, man. You see me? I do the work, man. Yeah, just cool, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Straight. You see it. So, what may I drop off the eye?
Just let me anyway down as someone.
Anyway down as
Let me you touch the road now.
That may start to work to show you some really need it. Right, that's all.
That's me find where going.
Alright.
Yes, so every day I get my money.
Every day like clockwork, my general.
Alright, brother.
You don't know the thing, man. For school, man.
Find me where going.
Big up yourself, man.
See it?
Yeah, man.
So no say nothing there, here?
Just hold it, man.
Alright, brother.
I'm watching a man, nobody call me, you know, me we call you, you see it? You see me? I saw the thing set. You see me? I go shout him, man. Just say a word, man. I go take on the road. Wicked, man. I'm not pay the phone, no mind. You see me?
Tell him.
Alright, my general. Outside.
You call it for nothing, man.
Man,
I don't know, man.
Alright. Yeah, man. They're going for the ride, yeah? One and move, two and drive. I have my license to you, so. Yeah, me legal. Nigga, one and move, two and drive. Yeah, man. My people, them there. When you come in, man. Remember, I'm legal, you know. Yeah. Mommy, nigga. Mommy, nigga. Alright. No, man, go on, man. She not go your way, man. Out the way there, go. Alright, hush. Let's say a word. Nigga, my G. Green jail. Nah, I got it. My license not got green jail still. Yeah, man. Mommy, nigga. I have my license, you know, I carry it, you know. No? Alright. I get it now, my general. I get it now, you know. I get it now, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. Nigga, mommy. Hold on, make that carry pass. I don't want nothing empty, you know. Alright, go on, see you, go on. Nigga. Alright, come through now. Tell mommy so I get your license here. Come now, people. Nigga. Hello? Bossy, where are they? Where you say? Me there, man. No, bossy, watch out, no. Me just come on road, you know. No, I'm just come on road, man. Nothing even one passenger not gone in there yet. Still empty, bossy. But now watch your face, man. I start you out, man. Nigga. Just say a word, man. As soon as my match up that thing, man, I come link you, man. Yeah, man. I run off this, man. I want to see your boss say, I can taste that tonight there. Is it? Boss, not even a scratch. Somebody takes there. Yeah. Nigga. Aye, boss. Boss, I call so fast, man. I know I didn't even forward in that machine. Say then, empty ride, you know. One and move, two and jack, mommy, nigga. You're traveling at back, you reach late, you know, traveling at front, you reach faster. Yeah, man, you know, say I 3 bills to them turn off at all.
I know say good, but man, you don't have to worry yourself, man. You know what things set.
Yeah, so no.
Yeah, man, right. Where you try to go, man. Yeah, what you say? You have change?
2 bills plus the 3 bills turn off, so 5 bills that.
1,000 me have, you know.
1,000, yeah man, me have change.
Alright.
Alright, respect, yeah?
Yo, guidance, here.
Alright, my
We
G.
catch up, man. Just be safe on the road, here.
Alright, brother.
Alright, guidance.
Yeah, Keisha, baby, we are going to Sav, you are going to
I saw me, I go yes, but me not go nowhere in that day. Cause that day mash up. What
you
you
mean,
think I
mash
go really gonna look
No,
with
man,
you?
no watch that, man. I want to look,
Me not go nowhere with you in that.
Keisha, you
I
move,
saw
so.
me I go, and me not go
Keisha,
nowhere
watch
with you in
out.
that.
Make it time my license, no, you know, baby.
And what?
Me legal, you know, no
That
police
no
can't
say,
stop. Watch out,
that
Keisha,
no
man.
have nothing to do with me,
Keisha, the
baby love.
school,
Me
hear me?
not go in
Just
that.
hear me, I say no, Keisha, man. Just come sit down in that front seat, man. Watch out, come sit the right side. I'm in a baby girl, turn on all the AC for you. Come on.
Say pick me friend for AC.
No, but I know what you do. But hear me, I say no, baby. Come, man. Come, man. Me never not put you in a back, man. Come, no, baby, man. Just I move some, my friend. I carry this now, you know. You don't know the thing. Yeah, man, come sit down on the front seat, man. Yeah, baby. Cock up your foot up on dashboard if no, not really do that still, but yeah, you know. Yeah, man, put on your seatbelt too, you know. I want you. I might carry this, you know, baby. Feel nice, though. Yeah, man.
Thank you, I got my destination.
I just saucy, sir. Hey. Yeah, baby, I want to, you know, long I want to put in on my front seat. Yo, a long time I tell you, I plan to get the right to put in it, and I have it now. Don't know the thing, yeah.
Would you that the car side they mash up and look so?
No, man, no watch that.
As you get that the car, as you get the little car mash you up already?
Okay, no matter watch that, man. You might watch that, man. It's a cow walk out for me, you know. I swear to God, me no man tell you, say, yo, me never see which part the cow come from.
Oh, you want so salt? How long you have it before cow walk out?
Just get it the other day, man. But watch now, man. I go get you $2 million insurance off my car. Watch now, the cow insure. And so me insure comprehensive, you see me? So me think them will give me back a food. So I saw me tell you the thing.
Go before you make cow walk out in
no, man, watch now, me just careful, man. I make sure take time with you because me no want nothing happen to you. I want to carry you safe away, I go, baby. I want you. Plus we can get that, though.
Talk about?
Okay, Keisha, but a long time and I look you, man.
Yes, sir. Afternoon.
Afternoon, sir. How are you, man?
Yeah, man. My name is Robert Brown.
Yeah?
And I am here from Forts.
Oh,
I'm a bailiff. I don't know if you know one Rowan Daly or you are Rowan Daly.
I mean, man. I mean that, man.
All right. So,
how go on?
You can recall that you took a fan from our company?
Yeah, man. I take one for this. How go on?
All right. So, we realized, upon checking, we realized that around 5 to 6 months now, you have not made a payment. So, I'm here to retrieve the fund.
Retrieve? What you mean retrieve?
Yeah, man. Me come to take back the fund.
Oh, you mean take back the fund?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But but still, if you can do something for yourself still, we can probably give you a little extension pan you can go and keep yourself cool.
Oh, what you mean? Like, would have come down and make a payment?
No. So give me a thing.
Oh, you?
Yeah, man. Cause if you go down there, you have to go pay full 6 months. You understand? But if you give me a little money, you can go and take it fan and go and cool down.
So I give you that money now, you put it on the bill.
Boss, let me see if I can speak patois.
You have to talk.
Yeah, man. Let me see if I talk patois. Here we are going now. Me spell it out for you. You owe the company. If you go down there, you have to go pay for full 6 months, else them are going to take your fund. But me, willing to only take one little portion of your money, maybe 1-2 month payment from you, and for myself, not for your company, for myself.
Yourself?
Yes, for myself, and you go and use the fund until, because Mark War, you don't use more than 2 months, you know, and me I'd only take 2 month payments. So if you give me that for myself, you can go and use the fund. But if not, me have to go take it.
But I never you me take a fund from, so I can't pay you. But so you say I find you come for.
Alright, the up to you, my boss. Me nah go beat you on the bush. If you can't do something, me have to go take a fan. It's
John
simple.
no star. Time what you know, brother. Alright, hold on, let me see what I go on. I call. Cause me have one little taxi on the road, you know. See if I can get to you, brother. So you can wait for 25 minutes and...
No, man, go on, make your call, man. Make your call.
Alright, hold on.
No, man, just do it fast, because we have a couple more people to go collect from you.
Alright. Hold on there, yeah.
Yeah, man, hurry up, man, hurry up.
Tell us to hurry up and carry my my destination. I'm not glad for going nowhere in a no car will look like this.
Hold on. Someone in a car, man.
And who I call him?
I want man who want the vehicle for rent, man. And I tell him say we don't have no more vehicle for rent out, you know. Cause you don't know, man, a businessman already, you see it. Somebody just rent him a vehicle, but no time for that, you see me?
Don't know what's time. I'm not get to. Rest you couldn't check me back in a Monday week, my boss.
Me sorry, you know.
See, I can't line up on like a
No, me boss. Me
time
sorry.
at man. Do me a beg my
Me,
boss,
me
man.
understand, man, cause me had to, but you have to just go for your fun. The dog tied, oh?
No, sir, not time, no.
Alright, hurry up. Me don't want no dog bite. Go on for your fun, my boss. Please.
Why? Babes. Babes.
Hey, baby.
Why?
Hello.
It's a brown, you know.
Who is him?
Must say, him far from the foot, so I find him come for look at the pan the way.
Which one?
So look at we still, but
You mean he forward for fan? What you mean? May I use a fan? You mean he forward for fan? Be talk to me.
you know, 1,000 I put in, five 1,000.
Me not have no money for me for game. So why you have to give him money? What happened?
No man, I'm good man, general good man. Alright, let's go for fan cat, come on.
But me I use the fan be.
My boss.
Go for him.
No.
No, me not gonna send a this place. So we not this hard. I'm sorry. What is?
Alright, sign right to some boss. Yeah, man. I'm pass the fun same time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Right this way you see X. Sign your name. Your name. Your name. You can write your name. You can write your name. Alright, no worry about no name. Just write one X there. So. Yeah, man. Even that you must can write X. Alright, good. Alright, then. Thank you, yeah, my boss. Yeah, man, and thank you for doing business with us. And please come and shop again. You're able to come again and shop, you know, but you won't be able to get any credit. Alright, sir? Have a wonderful day.
Oh yeah, go.
Me I go down a Ravian. Me can't turn na this a heat. Me can't stay in the heat, be.
Me have fun, man.
Me can't bother. Me a go down with my friend. Me Ravian have fan down there, have air condition, everything. Me not hot when me down there. Me can't take the heat, be.
What about that, man?
Me can't. Me can't take it. Me can't.
Man.
Me Lego bag no. Me can't take it. Me can't take the heat. Me a left man. Get back one fan and call me.
Man.
When I get my one fan, me come back. Me can't bother.
Yeah, man, I tell you, say, 600,000, and the man say, man, for this, and I tell him, say, I'm saying, I give 700,000, because I say, I don't want nobody have no chat over me, you see me? Some of my things stay, you see it? Baller, you know? Yeah, man, we are talking about,
So like how you give that the man they want 100,000 on top of that they 600,000 they know you must can give me one 600,000 too.
So simple thing like baby, I want it.
But me not go why you do. Cause you not drive big car, me no wine or nothing like this.
No man, this a me weekday car.
If we can do some traffic stop right or so.
Okay.
Hey, you see all the taxi boy there? fee my man every time I go and run taxi, you know. Every time I'm on duty, so my time up on yard with it.
So, but by the way, Constable, you getting no time out?
Oh, time out, no sir, no sir. Indeed. T08 over to control. Yes, we are on location now, you know. We're at the Petersfield to Rowan River intersection here, and we're doing a little traffic stop. And the time is now 4:15. Sometimes I can't manage control to you know, brother. Cause sometimes I call him, brother. It's like I beg them out there, so if you send out some patrol vehicle and them something.
We still have to make sure so we contact them because.
Oi, man, oi! Pull over, man. I see you driving without your license plate. It's a hide. And I don't like it.
Yes, sir. Are you alone in our car, sir? Yes, sir.
Let me see some papers. Because I don't feel like saying because in a L line I place. I don't know why license in the car.
No, we license and straight, you know.
Alright.
No lean, you know. But we're up to date. Yes, man.
Alright, carry on.
Alright, respect.
Alright, very good.
Alright, boss.
So you have to do a little 1 and 2 stop. That's one.
I'm not gonna lie to you, you know, Constable. I don't really want to do no work today, you know.
But wait. You're not just come off a graduation, man. What you mean? You're fresh off the market. You're supposed to be active. Let me tell you something. You see me? You see when they just graduate and them station me up a sentence, eh? You're a bad boy, you know. Rotted. Me don't stop taxi man and them do them a traffic business, yeah.
So you done yourself?
Hoodlums I send them back down answer because me have to clap a tree. Them little boy that they get out and I have to show them say me is dangerous.
No one will say so bad, Sarge.
What I mean, what I think them call me Sergeant Burger. Eh? You take boy life like a burger, man. Cheap.
No one will say so bad.
What I mean?
But so I don't really want to jump on and try fight no bad man, you know, cause I don't really want to get shot, you know. That's why I make sure so me give my time out, you know.
No man, I'm telling you this man. You say you can't be too fool, you know. You have a gun for you can't be too fool.
Yeah, but sometimes if I shoot somebody, what if they lock me up?
No man, just make sure you have a little extra piece or all something. Put on for them if anything. Stop the car then. Stop the car then. Go to the road, man.
Morning, sir. Turn off your engine now.
Afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Yes, Scotty, what on?
You don't realize you broke the stop sign down there, sir?
No, I not broke nothing. Nothing about today. I broke nothing, bossy.
You don't see the big old red sign? See one right there, too. You never see it?
I only just put that there, so no bossy, I never see that.
Let me see some papers there, sir, cause a taxi I run.
No, which taxi? I'm a family. I'm a family apart, bossy.
Your family?
Yeah, man.
Get down the glass and let me see what going on.
Don't turn on back your vehicle.
Sorry.
Don't turn it back on.
Alright. Yeah, man. I'm a son. I'm a daughter. You see me?
You don't know him?
No, sir.
Hello.
No.
Let me see some papers.
It's a prank. Me tell him say fi pull. You see me? But yeah, man. Put back him money in their pocket for buy ice cream later on, man.
Hello, step out of the car for me.
Buy ice cream here.
Step out of the car, sir.
Remember, I know. What you not tell mommy say me soon for the year?
Step out of the car, sir. Step out of the vehicle, sir.
Me forward.
Cause you take policeman for fool, man.
Come out of car. I'm a family them for two. I'm a family them for two, man. I don't like. Me not lie, sir. Mr. Officer.
And your family and them a walk away.
Me tell them to go buy the ice cream. I go tell them to buy. You see me? I'm send them. Remember, you know. Buy and don't you can't keep it change. You see, some my family. Good behavior citizens, you know, Mr. Officer. We don't block rule all about here, you know, sir. See that?
Give him a search for me, though.
No, boss.
So with the license.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I have my license. You see it? Yeah, I know so now. You see what you know, because I know so now that I go try and stop. Yeah, man, you see it? You see you hold it up on the show? Constable. I saw it, go man, the license. Yeah, man. I mean, man, watch out, man. You see if you, you see it? Yeah? Shut, if you not see two, shut one eye, yeah? And you see it good. Turn on. Yeah, see what I
You take
shut one
policeman
eye.
for fool, boy.
No, Mr. Officer, me just get it.
Eh?
Fresh, Mr. Officer. Watch out, man. And the man said, watch out on the examiner. Say, they hold it up so and hold it to the light. Yeah, it show clean, you see me? And it all straight through.
You take the policeman for idiot.
No, man. You, listen to me. Your goose cook today, you know.
No, goose, Mr. Officer.
Too much things are going for you. This, you don't know light. This your license and it belongs to you.
I'm my license, I'm pay for it all of $50,000. What you say?
What your name?
Anthony Williams, sir.
This not belongs to you, you know.
Yeah, man, my one, so I'm pay for it.
You don't look like this a person, and you don't name Mr. Ruan Reed.
Sir, if you hold it, look me to the side, to the light. You see how?
Yeah, man, I said, like me have to call in control and get them come see this vehicle.
I don't have to call nobody, sir. But you know eat lunch already?
I bribe you, try bribe officer.
No, well, would I never do that, Mr. Officer?
I'm good. Make you one man for say.
Yeah.
What you have to say for
I
yourself?
don't know if you don't eat lunch yet, you see me, car.
How much you say you pay for the license?
400,000 pay for it, man. Yeah, man, because then they say it did kind of one little express is it. And so they send it quick.
I want to know this examiner, yeah. So, I don't know what you're going to do for yourself. Is it that we are going to take a vehicle?
No.
Or you're going to send it to the examiner?
You know which party you live, yeah? Or which party you work? You know which party you work, man. But nothing wrong with the license. What wrong with the license? It's brand new, you know.
You can't read.
Eh?
You can't read. You know, like you can't read, none at all. You can't read.
Eat lunch already, you know say? Want to eat lunch already?
No, man. No.
Fast, we're going to eat lunch.
Yeah, man, sir. You can't read.
Yeah.
You can't read.
Yeah.
Alright. Go for your test, so they come. Because me want to know.
What you know?
Yeah, me I say no.
I left glass of my heart still, you know.
Yeah, me I say no. Even my little daughter can look on this right now and read everything what they on it. Here? And you gonna tell me, say, look on this. Are you that there? This look like a you? Are you that?
When you hold the side, wait.
When hold the side, you look like a you?
You see, there is a, I'm a eye them there.
Okay. What word is this?
Rat that. Rat this. Rat that.
What's on it?
Am I see this, sir?
Spell Micey.
What? So not, but
Smell mercy.
let me see it again one more time.
This is saying can't read, don't it? This is say a fool in take with her, don't it?
Glass. What you know, me left a glass.
You left a glass.
Just left a glass. You know, normally, just let me see it one more time. I'm gonna tell you.
Come here.
You can go.
Stay right there, sir. And don't take your hand off I care.
Yo, this man you can't read it.
Sergeant, first me ever see this in my life.
Alright now. Yeah, well, it could be a little more clear, you know. I say if you have no money on it. But whatever I make today, I go for me. Tomorrow for your day, you understand?
Sergeant, can't you get one juice?
Yeah, man, we can go drink 2 juice right now and like a bar on it, so my family them place.
Alright, that good then, man. Where is it tomorrow right now?
Yeah, man, whatever we make tomorrow for you.
This is a serious issue, you know. Left or right?
Me not understand that, sir.
What you can do for yourself?
You can wash, you can cook, you can clean. None of that we are asking. We not asking that. What you can do for yourself? Because as I can see, make sure you know say this a light here are over 25,000 for one. And if you get one of them fender there, this is sitting a bumper here, fender guard and everything, it will cost you money. And if you seals a vehicle again, it will cost you money again on a pound. So what you can do for yourself?
Can you give
Cause
it?
as you can see, we out here and we start sweating up. We are work.
Me did ask no if I eat lunch already still. I'm sure everything out of the pocket now too.
No man, you must can do better than that, man. I'm tell you, we look like you. We can do it $100. Give him that back there, man. We can do it. Do better than that, man.
Me just come on road now, Mr. Officer. Me just come on road. I swear me never been as you run out the two passenger them.
Hear what? This is because this a license and it belongs to you. And you obviously like say car probably not belongs to you. You have to give it which part you have to give it person where you get this from. You see person where you get the license from, you have to tell where in there.
Okay, yeah man, me can carry go to him man. I'm a virgin. Know him. But me can carry it to him man. So me can yeah give me back. No.
That man I really done, you know. Alright. Mr. say you done so 100 you know. Come with me over here, sir. Can you have to give it the exam, man? We'll give you a chance.
Yeah.
We'll give you a chance, man.
Yeah man. So where I go?
Yeah, man. Cause we can't have too much on the drive up on the road we can't read. What is that? Boy, what a word ya?
Gotta take up with time, sir. Gotta take up with time.
You know make this easier for yourself, you know.
Shop.
What? Here, just give me some jumping jack then. Just some. Jump and set stop. S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P stop. And that means you have to stop. You understand? You see the red? It means danger. Stop.
So me say
And stop. Right, so you know man, you learn to spell stop man. When after today, when you see this, we know what I mean. If this you come out to your head after today, you know if you drive on the road. S-T-O-P stop. Come.
S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P stop.
Yeah, just give me 50 of them there. 50 of them there.
Yeah, we so come. Stop.
Right.
S-T-O-P stop. S. Me tired.
Oh man, continue.
S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P.
All station go ahead and acknowledge missing person message.
Yo.
Receive control. Right, control. Highway T75 receive. Constable 489 from Moko Hill receive control.
I'll tell you something. Which one that's what you have to?
Right,
Smart.
control. Kindly take the time out and
Yeah?
catch them duty in the Denham Town police area. Yes.
I was smart, you
I
know what that's
Corporal
like.
T2 and Constable 11. Yeah, we go until 8 a.m. Safe noted control. Receive and be safe.
You can't be too jumpy as a police, you know.
Control, assistance, Control, fast, fast. We need some assistance right now, Control, in the Kingston Central area, right beside the Go-Go Club, Control, right at the Go-Go shop.
Thank God I turn, cause if I didn't ever do that, so I not move. I not move. Thank God I turn. But hope you be safe still. But
Hey,
me tell them if I didn't know it, then I say me not move friends, brother.
you know, said anyone send me up a town side though.
Hmm? Me tell them, me always tell them say no man, it's downtown Kingston. You know, but I go down and say go on like you know, full police. Man, them we dash away down there, you town that you know. Tell them little boy there, I can't trust them. Even when me there at town, I tell you. Enough of them you can't go dash them down a river town, man. Enough of them, man.
So, Sarge, how you know what commissioner then?
Commissioner?
Yeah.
Oh man, me tell you something. You see my force so? A lot of obeying going on, you know. A lot of them sitting there going. So sometimes when you see we now, cause me I tell them me do the work, but one if the superintendent woman there, Miss Black, I tell her, they palm me chase, wicked.
Team from Kingston
There's so
Central,
much
be safe
gunshot.
and take cover. A team of 70 police officers and 80 soldiers will be there in short order.
I'm glad I told you there.
Yes, Control, and pleased to see if I can give one of them $5,000 to carry on them because one of the squad of them or a small bill down at the club. T128, you're on your own with that. Shift Commander Central to North.
Right thing, Chief
Commissioner
Commander, tell him.
128 received. Squaddies, when you come in, please come and see me.
You can go drink rum.
We check in. That time for make it in still.
Well, yeah. You are going, see? You can't turn up, you can't sit in one place too long, you know. You can't make people watch your move as a police. You have to be total. You understand? So, I'm glad I told them to sit there and go on now, because I said, me no run up and down no minutes. As a police, I stay to myself. But I not come out and go at me a year, you know.
Stop. Yes. Stop. Yes. When you can't read, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Oh, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah. You know, sir, what day when they see me lose, it too call them Sarge. When you make a report to you, I get to understand that's I'm a grandson. And him friend them, take them away. So, right now, me come and now and I look about the code them, come check the code them, can have some water for code them. And me have the two bull kin tie out on the front out or so. And the two bull kin no see disappear. And I get them get away. Can me tie them. Tie them well good. And so on, Bunny. And when me look around and see me no see them, then disappear.
Are you sure, say your you're sure?
I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm going to deal with it for me, sir. I'm going to deal with it for me, Sarge.
Alright, no problem. Because you can't have your things them and have your grandpitney them and a thief them. That's not right. Eh? And you are a man, an elderly man. That is that is actually ill right now.
And look for me, sir. Ill. And so on. And me tie me things them with me one hand. Use it and do everything. Everything. Because see me ride my bike. See me bike down there where me carry water and feeding, you know.
Alright.
Things them.
Alright. Alright, just come down to the station and come make a full report, here.
Okay. Okay, Sarge. Okay, sir.
Alright, take care.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, stop here, sir. You run out of gas?
No, I'm gonna run out of gas.
I want me a punch off.
No, I'm gonna punch out. What? Alright?
No, me I go to work and the time they go. I mean, I want to reach late.
No, I got late, man.
Just a wait little bit, you see me? I know somebody are wait, man.
No.
So, what cause you make a stop right here, sir?
Lady, you can't read.
What you mean?
You don't see big old stop sign there, sir.
Yes, it's stop sign there, so what?
So I have to wait till it go green.
So when it go look here. You see stop sign, different from stop light. You can never know. You see any stop light right there, sir?
Yes. Stop going like you want to come take man for idiot now. The other day I come out here, sir, and the police stop me. I'm there so the whole time, and then take my papers, and then take my license, and I now make them do it again. So them say anytime I see stop sign, me fi stop. So lady, I stop, me stop. And me now move till it green.
You now move till it stop sign green.
Miss, just
So
sit
the
down
police
easy.
they tell you say stop sign and stop light. That can change color. You know what kind of little idiot? Hold on there. What kind of idiot driver?
Where you take out the seatbelt for?
No. Why me take this a taxi here?
So me not go carry you go where you go, miss me just a wait for the light for change. Sign for change.
From the beginning, me shouldn't come in your car. Look on your piece of old car when me come in. I just 2 minutes late and me could have get another taxi. You come and say waste my time and come tell me about police. So when you see stop light, stop sign up, you stop. Like a stop light. You sure see here what the police say?
Miss.
That is not a stop light. That is a stop sign.
Wait, say miss.
Look here. You notice the road turns so and so. That means you need to stop here so.
Then
When
stop
you
me,
carry
stop.
you go out. But you tell me about that I go change color. All the stop sign color go change. You idiot. You know so the taxi boy you a fool though.
It's a stop, miss. I'm a stop. Me I obey my law, you know, cause the other day, me get a whole heap of money me have to pay.
No man, I buy your license. Where you get it from?
I'm not talking about this buy license from the other day. You know, 400,000 pay for my license. I miss I'm a legal something I'm buying. I miss.
Say, look how much you damn idiot. I wish examiner give you license. You damn papi sure. I wish depot you go.
You want your number?
One which number? Fidua. You and the examiner idiot. He man rob you and trick you damn fool. How give you license? I like a uno no fi dep on the road. Cause no cause accident.
Think, Chris, man. I bet you say you get a ticket when you start drive.
Get
Watch.
the ticket, you idiot, you damn fool. Who
Watch
give you
now.
license and you can't read, you're big and dumb.
I mean,
But
man,
when
you can't
you
read.
stop
Then I be gonna stop that. Let me see.
I will tell us
Who
stop
can read
sign.
now?
Yes, of course, it's stop mark on it, but it's not a stoplight.
What you mean by?
One way
The police have to stop.
Yeah, keep up my time. And I can't tell about where police.
I idiot, man. Woman, you idiot, you know. Somebody know say, hey, I wanna make the world bad, you know. I wanna learn. I wanna take telling. Doc, this is one idiot. I don't know me pick up all on you know. Man tell me if stop, I'm stop. Think me a idiot. Crosses. Long time man there so now you know man. I can't move you now. Holy passenger gone you know.
Rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa, rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, we take for your girl.
Noogle me come to, big boss.
You say man, nobody names are still
What's on? No, you probably is enough name that him under Antonio Williams didn't say name.
Yeah, so man, nobody names are still though. You know, say me, my daughter, and me auntie live though.
But he done say you say he live still, you see it? So you see it?
I think I can get right address though, man.
No man, alright, that's how you say he live, man. How far care that?
You say I feel me one though, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
But he done say you say he live still, so I don't know. Noogle man, you drive one Nissan Wing Road, man. And the front type mash up, man.
Yes, yesterday I'm there though, I see pass me going on the scheme though.
One grey Nissan Wing Road.
Yeah, right front type mash up, man.
Front type mash up and the back sinking.
Yeah.
I see man. So you say no yes sir? In live?
No, sir, but we do want a bar on the road, yes, sir, man.
That's all, man. Everything good.
Alright, my general.
Yeah, my brother. Where say bar? Around there, sir?
We want to go in the corner, yes, sir, man. Go
Around the corner?
Yeah. Oh, that's what supermarket do.
Alright. Me want to say, you can get taxi, yes, sir?
Yeah, man.
Alright, me want to get a taxi, yes, sir.
Alright, my general.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody, yo, baby, you see that? Watch out, watch out, watch out. Come in, no man. And that man talk about, you know. See it there? We're richer now. Watch out. Anyway you want to go, baby girl. Why you talk no matter laugh? A serious thing. Anything you want right now. Me give you a piece of food, quick and fast.
I need all of that.
No, you're your chest too, little bit too high. But you know, baby man, me can carry you anywhere you want to go, you know, man. And my car that park up out the door there, you know, man.
Can't in front of me.
I know the car me I use right now. The car me I use to carry you. See the money now? Can buy anything you see it.
Yeah, my general. See car right now. Left, right, that's right, that's man. See car, man. Yeah, man. Right, that's right. Yo, respect, you know.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Yeah, man. All for respect, brother. See, yeah. Yeah, man. I hate this. Take it from him, man. You see it? Oh, go on, brother.
Style, I ain't a baby girl. No, mama need it.
Hey, Mr. Noble.
Rough.
Brother, about 1 million times I call it, brother.
Nah, man, what you talk about, man?
What you mean,
no, phone
man?
Ring, none of that. You hear my phone ring from me now? No. Me all talk say, yo, nobody no call me from money, nobody never remember me G. No go some man.
Virgin, from me, listen to me, I say, I don't want to embarrass you in front of the lady, brother. Brother, just give me a car key, my father.
What you mean you want it? What go on?
Brother, look at the man, from me give you the car, you know, can't even $1 come give me, brother.
You mean to listen me soon forward, me
brother, you mean soon forward? Be a style thing of that one, brother.
No, man, watch out, man.
Style thing of that one, brother. See me call, yo, you me call post, brother, you me call post, come back off my fan, brother. Yo, give me my car key, brother.
Just give me a son of my general.
Brother, you me call my woman left me, brother.
Watch out, we don't tell her, show her vibes to this, we can't.
No, man, I'm not depend that, man.
Just give me a son now. Me go carry a thing come gear later.
No, watch out, man. Just give me a car key, brother. Come on, us. Come on, us.
No, watch out. No.
Watch out, man.
Just
you car key. Give me a car key, man.
Big brother.
Now the news. 2 men were sentenced today to imprisonment for carrying out fraudulent activities in the Westmoreland Parish Court. The accused men are known as John Green, also known as Monio, as well as Romain Black, also known as Linkman. Their lawyers said that they'll be applying for appeal in the near future.
My God. Then Linkman and Monio did I really thief?
Auntie,
I'm getting hungry.
You're getting hungry? What's me for a girl? Sasha and tell her this.
Rough when you're carried. Rough when you're carried. Rough when you're carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Rough when you're carried. When you carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Whoa, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Well, I have to learn how to read, you know. Cause you don't know when I carry.
Yeah, man, so subscribe, share, like.
Maggy, Maggy, Maggy.